I don't know about you, but I am a mountain person. And if you are a mountain person too, you already know what the Dolomites is. You have seen the photos, you have felt something looking at them. For people like us, going here was never really a question of if, it was always just when. So this time, no more just looking at photos, and I'm actually going to Dolomites. फाइनली अभी हम निकले डोलोमाइट्स के लिए। वेदर थोड़ा सा खराब है। We left Munich on a Thursday morning. 5 friends, 1 car, a lot of excitement. We had no strict plan, just direction and a mountain range waiting somewhere ahead of us. Our first stop was Val di Funes. In Italian, Val simply means the valley. We didn't rush it. No checklist, no specific viewpoint. We just drove slowly through the valley and let it come to us. Church of St. John sits in a small green meadow with the most dramatic mountain peaks behind it. We stopped, we looked, and we just smiled. Sometimes a place gives you everything you need to be in 30 seconds, and this is probably the one of this place. From the valley, we drove to Zanzaram parking place. We started hiking up to Geyzeram. अभी हम वाल दी फुनेस में आ गए हैं और वाल दी फुनेस में अभी गाइजरआर्म का छोटा सा हाइक है। 1 आवर एंड 20 मिनट का वो कर रहे हैं। बेसिकली आप यहाँ के पार्किंग प्लॉट्स तक आपका कार लेके आ सकते हो, यहाँ पे बस भी आता है और फिर यहाँ से आप हाइक चालू कर सकते हो। फिलहाल वेदर बहुत डाइसी है, बीच में ही क्लाउडी और बीच में रेनी है, बट व्यू बहुत सुंदर है। ट्रेल वॉज क्वाइट एंड पीसफुल, ऑलमोस्ट ड्रीमी काइंड ऑफ वॉक वेयर योर माइंड जस्ट स्टॉप थिंकिंग एंड स्टार्ट फीलिंग। Clouds were slowly building above us, but we kept walking. By the time we reached to the top, the rain had arrived. The peaks we came to see completely gone, hidden behind thick clouds. We went inside the hut. 1 hot chocolate each, 5 people sitting together and just waiting. तो फाइनली अभी हम गाइजरआर्म आ गए। अनफॉर्चुनेटली बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ गया है। यहाँ से वेदर देख सकते हो। And honestly, that moment was perfect. Not because of the rain, but because of the calmness that rain gave us. When a mountain takes away the view, you have 2 choices. You can feel disappointed or you can enjoy what is still there. What was still there? Warm, good company, hot chocolate, and the sound of rain on the mountain. That was more than enough. We were still sitting there when the things started to change. First, the cloud got little bit lighter, then little more, and then the peaks started coming up. Slowly, one part at a time. Nobody said a word because that is what mountains do. They don't care about your plans or your schedule. They show themselves when they are ready. And if you are still there when that happens, you get something that the people who left early never got. A private show. Just for the ones who stayed. तो देख सकते हो आप मेरे पीछे एक गाइजरआर्म से दिखते हैं जो माउंटेन्स, और यहाँ पे इस साइड पे ये बेसिकली सेकेडा है। शायद हम सैटरडे उसके ऊपर जाएंगे अपोजिट साइड से, बट इस साइड से व्यू देख सकते हो। वे थोड़ा इस साइड से वेदर क्लियर हो रहा है। Coming down felt different from the going up. Same path, same tree, same mountains, but something had changed inside me. This is what mountains do. They don't fix your problem. They don't make your life easier. But they are so big and so old and so calm that everything you were stressed about suddenly feel much smaller. That evening, we drove through the Val Gardena. No plan, no destination, just the valley and changing light. तो फाइनली अभी हम वाल गार्डन आ गए और शायद यहाँ पे हम डिनर करेंगे और जाएंगे हमारे होटल के इधर। बट ये वाटरफॉल बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिख रहा है और पूरा फुल लग रहा है क्योंकि बारिश अभी हुई अच्छी खासी। Found a very good place for the dinner in the valley. We were tired, but the good kind of tired, kind that comes after a real day. But day one didn't go exactly as planned, but it was perfectly in every way that matters. But Airbnb that night was on the side of the mountain. We were going to drive up on the mountain. We would wake up to this view for the next 2 days. Some things you only fully appreciate when you are actually inside there. I went to sleep that night knowing the one thing that I didn't know that morning. This trip was already more than I hoped for, and we were just getting started. Tomorrow, I was going to visit the highest meadow in Europe, and I felt like Dolomite is ready to show something even bigger than what we expected. तो अभी हम होटल में मस्त सो जाएंगे। आज के गाइजरआर्म की बहुत ही खूबसूरत हाइक और बहुत ही खूबसूरत व्यू के साथ जो मज़ा है, और अभी भी हम कल के अल्पे दी सुसी का वैसे ही व्यू एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो इसी सपने में अभी हम सो जाएंगे और कल आपको दिखाएंगे अल्पे दी सुसी। कल थोड़ा सा बारिश दिखा रहा है बट होपफुली वेदर क्लियर हो जाए आज के जैसा ही। तो अभी मिलते हैं कल।